Hi everyone, I'm Sam and welcome to Somewhere Out There, where I document my journey as a travel lover and first-time home buyer. So isa sa pinaka-importanting decisions na ginawa namin last 2023 ay ang bumili ng sariling bahay. And guess what? Sa Cavite namin nakita ang perfect fit. To be honest, before I was hesitant to live in Cavite kasi akala ko malayo, mahirap ang biyahe at baka hindi siya practical. Pero habang tinitignan namin ang mga bagong developments, infrastructure, and long-term growth, we realized this is where we truly found the right place. So if you are considering investing or buying a home this year, let me walk you through exactly why Cavite is one of the best options today. So number 1, connectivity and infrastructure. So una sa lahat yung location. Cavite is now one of the most connected provinces near Metro Manila, thanks to its massive infrastructure projects that are already changing the game. So number 1, the CALAX. Cavite-Laguna Expressway cuts travel time big time. Number 2, we have the Cavite and NAIAX or NAIA Expressway for smooth access to the airport and coastal roads. Number 3, we have the Anghari Extension and it's great for connectivity for South Metro access. Number 4, LRT-1 Cavite Extension, and soon makakarating ka sa Baclaran to Cavite in one train ride. Number 5, we have Cavite BRT. So with this, Cavite will have options, less travel, less stress. And last but not the least, the upcoming Sangley International Airport, a new international gateway that will boost travel, jobs, and real estate. Would you believe that I was able to get home from Makati to General Trias in just 1 hour? Yes, you heard it right, 1 hour. Pero hindi yan rush hour and gumamit ako ng Cavitex and NAIA Expressway. But even so, Metro Manila is really accessible na talaga from Cavite. And if you are considering and living in Cavite, marami na rin ang nag-o-offer ng carpooling, ride shares, and even company shuttles. So commuting is no longer a deal breaker. Section 2, we have the affordability and my Pag-IBIG experience. So let's talk about affordability. Cavite is still one of the most value for money locations for home buyers. Whether you're looking for a brand new homes, rent to own, or Pag-IBIG foreclosed properties, ang dami mo ng options. And usually, half the price compared to Metro Manila. Kami mismo, we were able to buy our first home in General Trias via Pag-IBIG foreclosed bidding for just 2 million pesos. And mura na yung 2 million pesos sa lot size ng property na nakuha namin. It's actually 121 square meters lot area with 42 square meters floor area. Yes, medyo may renovation na kailangan, pero the space, location, and the potential, sobrang sulit. And take note, this is a corner lot unit. If you're looking to invest or buy your first home, Pag-IBIG foreclosed properties are a great place to actually start. Section 3, Livability and Green City Plans. Now, let's talk about the lifestyle. Cavite isn't just affordable, it's also becoming green and modern place to live. May mga eco-friendly communities like Maple Grove in General Trias and the upcoming River Park projects that offer parks, walkable boulevards, bike lanes, and cleaner surroundings. And of course, nandyan din ang SM City General Trias, Vista Mall, Ayala Malls, schools, hospital, and everything your family needs. It's the perfect balance, maaliwalas, tahimik, pero complete yung amenities. So this is actually ideal for those who are like me na remote workers, young families, OFWs, or even retirees looking for peace. Section 4, Growth and Investment Potential. Here's where it gets exciting, the real estate growth. Because of all the infrastructure and private investments, Cavite is becoming a hotspot for growth. Number 1, we have Uniqlo Logistics Hub in the area. Number 2, the Metro Case Economic Zone in Tanza. And number 3, more township projects, tech hubs, and commercial centers. All of this means more jobs, more business, and raising property values. Kung bibili ka ngayon, mas mura pa. And just to share with you, when I'm bidding with Pag-IBIG Foreclosed Properties last 2023, nakakakita pa ako ng mga properties as low as 300,000 pesos. But this 2025, tumingin ulit ako ng mga properties and nakita ko yung mga pinakamura had gone up to 500,000 pesos. So kung bibili ka man ngayon, mas mura pa. Pero in 2 to 3 years, that same property could be worth much more. Especially kapag na-establish na tong mga developments na ginagawa ngayon. Section 5, tips for future buyers, especially if you are getting a house via the same route that I took via Pag-IBIG Foreclosed Properties. So number 1, visit the site in person. Check the neighborhood, flood zones, and accessibility. Number 2, join Pag-IBIG bidding if you are on a budget. Number 3, choose location near new roads, highways, or LRT stations. And number 4, don't forget to ask around. Talk to the residents. So if you are dreaming of owning a home or investing smart this 2025, Cavite might just be your best move. Want to know exactly how we bought our house through Pag-IBIG bidding? You may check out my full playlist, link in the description and pinned in the comment. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home buying tips. And if this video helped you, feel free to send super thanks. Malaking tulong yan para makagawa pa ako ng mga ganitong klaseng content kasi hindi pa tayo monetize. Char! Yun lang. Good luck. Ciao!